We basically lost absolutely everything. I lost every machine, every truck, every employee, with the exception of the guy, Travis Greise, that I told you about that runs my field operations. And in 2011, I started Seasons Demolition, and we managed to come back financially stronger than ever before. 2007 was the beginning of the world economy collapsing, and so we suffered a lot of losses, a lot of jobs that were under contract canceled. Some of the jobs were halfway done. Just people would walk away from entire apartment complexes and buildings that were just studs, you know, getting ready to have the siding put on it, just walked away from them. So needless to say, we had many people file bankruptcy on us to the tune of a few $1 million. So we couldn't sustain that. By 2009, we really got a grip for just how bad this thing was gonna get. And it got really bad. Once we lost everything, we started over with one pickup truck, a $12,000 piece of junk Hyundai excavator that was so wore out. By looking at it, you couldn't imagine that it would even move. We found a dump truck down the side of the road that wasn't even running. We bought that, put it back together, and got it on the road. And in 2011, I started Seasons Demolition. I decided that we would go into just the demolition market. There was a lot of reasoning behind that. One of the reasons was that it's the most profitable. So we decided to go with demolition, but then we knew we would have to travel, because there's no way that you're gonna sustain a decent sized demolition company by just working in Wilmington. So then we started to travel North and South Carolina. I was licensed in those 2 states. So just being in demolition opened up the door to work for all of the other construction companies that did site work. So I got this 3 acres here, started out in a little 8 by 25 single wide trailer. That was my office. We didn't have any buildings on here. We just used the land to park our stuff and operated out of our homes for a couple of years until I was able to build this office and put up all these buildings. And we managed to come back financially stronger than ever before. I own this land. I own the majority of the equipment and trucks. It was a long road and a lot of energy to come back from losing everything to start over again.
For more Contractor of the Year videos, click the playlist on the screen now.